Wow, this must be a boring place. No skateboards, no rollerblades, no loitering, no trespassing. My bike is making a really weird noise. Dumb bitch on her phone crossing the street. Goddamn woman. Hi. Okay, something really just went wrong with my bike. You can hear the valves like crazy. It's not how I want to spend my nice, calm, peaceful ride. No, it has the right amount of oil. No, I don't want to kill my bike. But I am 9 miles from home. It's gonna be below freezing tonight too. Might be a good idea just to ride it home, baby it. F me. Maybe the sound went away. New plan, I'm gonna post this on the CBR group, see if anybody recognizes this sound. It's not making the noise anymore, okay. The valves might need to be adjusted or something. Besides, I probably have homework to do. Go home, review the footage, see what that sound was. God, if I was just a couple inches taller, I could totally fit this bike. Too damn short. There's gotta be a way to like lower this bike by an inch. I'm gonna try and get the noise on video, because I was looking at the film and it didn't turn out too well. I don't know what that is, but it's driving me crazy. Any help anyone on the forums or could give would be awesome. I think it might be the cam chain tensioner, but I'd like to get a second opinion. I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to take it to a shop or if I'm going to do it myself. Really not too sure. Whoa, what the f***? Oh, that was scary as shit. I hope I got that on video. Oh, that was like sphincter tightening right there. God damn. What the shit was that? It looked like a sign or something.